Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at my homemade stun gun, we can say. This is made out of a bug zapper. The ones you can buy that runs off like C or D batteries. But I did some videos on this in the past. But this was what was inside the bug zapper. So I just took it out. And I have it hooked up to two 2500 milliamp 3.7 volt batteries going into here. And obviously I have a switch over here to power it with a momentary switch. Then the electrodes, I just used these screws here. So what we're going to do, this is starting, the batteries need recharge, so it's not zapping totally like it probably should. But we're going to go ahead, just for something to do, I'm going to tighten this back up here. We'll just put two of them in, so I want to charge the batteries again. But we're going to go ahead and turn this light bulb on. See if we can make this light bulb blink or light up, we should say, by using the bug zapper. So let me turn my light off here and we'll give it a go. So let me as you can see, it was lighting up here. See if I can get a better shot here. So this is a LED light bulb. But thought I'd try this and see what happens. But anyway, be careful obviously when using these things. You know, you have to respect electricity, because it can hurt or kill. So gotta be responsible. Obviously this might not be the most responsible thing, but hey, don't know until you try to see what it's going to do. But we'll do this again here quick. So there you go. Alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.